How are you, sir?
I'm doing pretty good.
This is the building security manager right now.
What's his name?
He's informed me, I don't know his name.
Okay, what's your name, sir? You don't need to know.
He's informed me
your name,
that,
sir?
my name's Sergeant Clough.
Okay.
He's informed me that,
Do you have an identification number?
I do, 13290. He's informed me that you're,
30738.
he's informed me right now that you're actually in violation of the building's policies when it comes to filming. You've actually violated the policy by the only place you can film is the rotunda and everything. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to trespass you from the building. Do you have ID on you?
No, I don't.
You don't? Can you just keep your hands out of your pocket for me?
Am I being detained?
What's that?
Am I being detained?
You are not being detained, but you have to leave the property right now, or you're going to jail.
Okay.
Okay?
Do you have a card?
I do have a card.
What was your name? You're trespassing me from the building, but I don't need to know your name? Oh.
I don't know.
It's Foshin the Good. Can you read?
Okay, well, you're being trespassed from the building for violation. Yeah, I'm going to get you one real
What did I
quick.
violate?
You're violating basically by filming in these areas.
The First Amendment?
I am, but they actually have facility rules, and this is a limited access area per their guidelines, and so you're being
This is a
trespassed.
public building, sir.
I understand, but you're being trespassed
I
right now
heard
from
you
the
that.
building.
I'm still waiting for your card.
Okay, yeah, I'll give you your card once we leave the premises. So let's go ahead and get out the premises right now, and I'll give you my card. And you will press charges for trespass after warning if he does not leave? Okay.
This is a traditional public forum.
Okay, yeah, but they're actually going to trespass you
You
all
can't
from City Hall?
trespass me from a traditional public forum, sir.
Okay, sir, I'm going to give you one more
Can I
chance to
record
leave.
here?
I'm going to give you
Can I
one more
record
chance to leave
Okay.
the City Hall, because they want you trespassed from City Hall, which would mean that you would have to go out to the actual city sidewalk.
So I have to leave a traditional public forum. For what reason?
Because you already violated their limited access area, and so that's why they wanted you trespassed from
How
the
did
whole
I
area.
violate it?
I already told you once.
Well, I'm not.
He's refusing to leave. Do you want him arrested?
I did.
Okay, sir, put your hands behind your
I'll
back.
leave.
No, we're done.
Sir,
Put your hands behind your
I'm in the
back.
lobby. I'm
Today's video comes to you by way of This is a Public Services YouTube channel. He was arrested for recording in a public space because a female public servant was uncomfortable being on camera. Here is a video clip of the cop admitting it.
I gotta get a statement from the female that said that he was interrupting her while she was trying to work because she was scared of him filming.
All right, folks, welcome back. We have an arrest video with the follow-up. Foshin from This is a Public Service gets arrested inside Orlando, Florida City Hall. Here's the insane part. He was convicted and is now trespassed from the building. This case is now on appeal. Let me read to you what it says in this video description. Journalist arrested by Orlando police at Orlando City Hall for trying to file a complaint against Cassandra Bell by oath-breaking tyrant Sergeant Philip Clough. The trespass was authorized by Jeff Dion at a private management company called Owens Realty Services. Sometimes government uses tax-funded properties to open up business, but sometimes they use private properties. We've seen several videos before where owners of these said properties try to trespass the people from their property. The problem is, the lobbies, corridors, and foyers are now open to the public as soon as they sign the contract with the government. The truth is, government works for the people, so you opened up the property to the people. That's how that works. That contract you signed is with the people. You can't trespass the people because then you default on the contract. Let us know what you guys think in the comment section down below. The information for this installation will be in the video description in case you want to redress your grievances. Check out this video, make sure to go subscribe and show them some support. We don't think it's right what they're doing to him, and we have to remind them where the limits on the scope of their authority is. Here's your video, folks.
Alright, yeah, I just need to talk to the city realtor there. Okay. Before we do anything.
Jeff, right here.
Oh,
Hey, brother.
How you doing?
how you been?
Good, and you?
I've had better days
Yeah.
dealing with this guy. He's a PETA. Is that the gentleman we're supposed to be talking to right there? Or?
Oh, yeah, that's the building manager. That's who you come by. You come by Jeff Dion?
I'm not sure.
But yeah,
He's possibly.
he's on the phone right now.
Okay. I need to talk to Jeff to confirm that that's a violation of the rules to trespassing. Until then, I can't do anything. Somebody's calling up saying that this gentleman's filming her right now. So what do you guys want to do about this gentleman?
Well, no video recording beyond this point. It's a policy. If he wants to say it has to be a law, but it's not a law.
Nope,
It's
it
a
doesn't.
policy
Right
with the
now,
building.
right now it's right here. I'm just gonna recite it because I got my body camera running, and this guy's gonna definitely go ahead and get the body camera footage. So
He's in a public building. He's in a public space. As long as he doesn't disrupt those areas, he can do what he wants to do.
right now it says under section 4 alpha 1, individuals may be trespassed by the division, city manager, real estate manager. That's you.
I am the building manager,
Building
not the real
manager,
estate manager.
but you're the appointed person to trespass people.
I oversee security.
So you oversee security, so then you're the person, and if you say that his actions interfere with the normal property or use of the facility, or the city, or this facility rules, he can't be trespassed. So we will go ahead and trespass him.
What I would like to do, I'd like to get with Laura just to get.
Laura's right here. Talk to him from.
Oh, real quick though, but if he refuses to identify himself and does not leave, we will be making a physical arrest.
That's fine.
Okay?
Hey, Laura,
Where
he
Where
should
does
be able to
she
get
work
in
at?
here.
Is he on the 7th floor lobby?
Okay, well, I got the police officers here. I already told them that I would like to have them trespass. I just need your concurrence. Okay, she's good with it too. So the owner of the building and then the manager of the building both agree. We want
I just gotta
him
make sure he's breaking the rules and that you guys want him trespassed before we can take any action.
He's disrupting. They're gonna go. They're gonna come up and get him.
Okay, I'm
Get him out of the building. I'll show you the way to.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for my lieutenant to come.
is she in the lobby area right
With
now?
him or?
She's in the elevator lobby area, is what she said.
Okay, all right.
We have a reception area in the 7th floor, that's part of it.
There's not really a reception area because all of the doors are closed on the elevator lobby, and you have to have a card reader to get through those doors. But if she tries to go through the doors with her
I would probably
card,
try
like
to
he did the
separate
last time, he'll tailgate behind somebody and push his way past.
Oh, okay.
Okay. The last time he did that, I mean, we wanted him trespassed for that reason. And he rattled several employees, plus he disrupted city services throughout the building.
When did that happen?
A day and a half ago.
Let's go ahead and grab him. Let's talk to him.
So you said
I'm gonna need you to sign a trespass.
that was a day and a half ago that you did that?
Actually, day before yesterday.
Okay.
Violate the rules and everything before we.
You know what I told him? Is I told him that I have an ex-boyfriend who abuses me and that I don't want to be recorded. And he continued to record me.
I understand.
So I just went out of the
I think it's on third, I think he's saying. Third, he's just going random floors, just. From the 4th floor all the way up to 9th, we shut all the doors out of the elevator lobbies, so he can't get beyond that. So.
3rd floor.
He's jumping around on floors. I'll let you know where we end up.
Is that walking around?
Nobody here, everybody went.
Did he go up or down?
Back over by the mirror.
Oh, he's back on there? There now.
How are you, sir? This is the building security manager right now.
What's his name?
He's informed me, I don't know his name.
Okay, what's your name, sir?
You don't need to know.
He's informed me
What's your name,
that,
sir?
my name's Sergeant Clough.
Thank you. Your
He's
name?
informed me
Officer
that,
Denton.
Do you have an identification number?
I do, 13290. He's
sir.
informed me that you're,
30738.
he's informed me right now that you're actually in violation of the building's policies when it comes to filming. You've actually violated the policy by the only place you can film is the rotunda and everything, so what we're gonna do now is we're actually going to trespass you from the building. Do you have ID on you? You know, can you just keep your hands on your pocket for me?
Am I being detained?
What's that?
Am I being detained?
You are not being detained, but you have to leave the property right now, or you're going to jail.
Okay.
Okay?
Do you have a card?
I do have a card.
What was your name?
You don't need to know.
You're trespassing from the building, but I don't need to know your name?
That's right.
Wow.
I don't know your name either.
It's Foshin the Good. Can you read?
Okay, well, you're being trespassed from the building for violation.
When we're doing this, these guys, it creates more of an issue when you get backlash like that. You're the manager, right? You're a city
I
employee.
am, but they actually have to.
You're not a city employee, okay, but it kind of creates more of an issue now, right? Because if we trespass him, your name is going to the form. I mean, though, so we're trying to keep it as civil as possible.
Yeah, I'll give you your card once we leave the premises. So let's go ahead and get out the premises right now, and I'll give you my card.
Do these doors just open up to go out? Okay. Okay.
And you said if I don't leave the building, I'll get arrested?
That's correct. And you will press charges for trespass after warnings you did not leave? Okay.
This is a traditional public forum.
Okay. We're actually going to trespass
You can't trespass me from my traditional public forum, sir.
Okay, sir, I'm going to give you one more
Can I
chance
record
to
you?
leave. I'm going to give you
Can I
one more
record you?
chance to leave
Okay.
the city hall, because they want you trespass from City Hall, which would mean you'd have to go out to the actual city sidewalk.
So I have to leave a traditional public forum. For what reason?
Because you already violated their limited access area, and so that's why they wanted you trespass from
How
the
did
whole
I
area.
violate it?
I already told you once.
Well, I'm not
He's
clear.
refusing to leave. Do you want him arrested? Okay. Sir,
I'll
put your
leave.
hands behind your
I'll
back.
leave.
No, we're done. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. We're
I'm
under
not
arrest.
resisting.
Here, I'm going to take this first so it doesn't get broken.
All right, give it to this person
I
over
will,
here.
but I'm going to make sure it doesn't get broken.
I'm not resisting. You don't need to use the force.
We're not using any force.
Give us just a second, sir. I'll make sure you get his camera, okay?
You take your watch off for you and put it in your pocket.
Give it to him.
Do you have anything else you would like for him to have, sir?
Yes.
What else? What else do you have you would like for him to take?
The contents of my pockets.
Okay. Do you want your phone to go with you, or you want him to take it, sir?
Am I going to be 707 or am I going to be taken to jail?
Well, you're going to go to the 33rd Street Jail, sir.
Am I going to be booked and released or?
Yeah, you'll go to the Booking and Release
I'll,
Center.
I'll hold the phone.
Okay. What about this?
That goes with him.
With him? Okay. Yeah, it'll just be a couple hours. I can't tell you for sure how long it takes for the Booking and Release Center, but you will be able to, if you need a number out of here to make a phone
Let
call
me
or
just
something.
slide it back in my pocket.
I'll hold on to it, and then I'll give him this here stuff real quick, okay? All right, sir.
Thank you.
That's this. He just wants his phone to go with him, okay?
It's gone. Okay.
Sorry.
No worries. No worries. Give me just a second. I'm gonna put this cover on there so I don't scratch this.
You're fine. I didn't know how to turn it off,
Yeah,
so.
no, it's so good. Name and badge number if you don't mind.
Yep, Officer Denton, 30738, sir.
Man, I appreciate it.
Did you guys swear an oath to the Constitution?
And I have the form. I have not known we were. I thought he was going to leave, and then. My car's out back. Yeah. Yes, sir.
You're going to...
Actually, we can walk through the back door because I'm parked out where the mayor parks. Excuse me.
Yeah, that's what
I don't know how long it takes. It could take an hour, it could take 2 hours. But he'll be able to call you from back there, sir. We can actually go back to this way, Sarge. Sir, if you can just hang out for me here, please. I got to come back and meet with you. Sorry, actually this way, I think. There's a hallway. Where to go? There's a hallway we can go down. No, where's that hallway at? There's the back door hallway. Once I passed it.
All those that had some,
Oh, yeah, I passed it. Sorry, to the. No, there it is, to the left, sorry. Sir, do you want your phone in airplane mode?
No,
Okay. Do you want it completely turned off?
no.
Okay. If we can do the passenger side, Sarge. All right, sir, just real quickly, do you have anything tucked in like your groin, your crotch, anything like that, sir, in your socks or anything?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
Okay, I'm just trying to help you out because it's an introduction charge. It's actually a felony. So,
I'm not going to answer any questions.
okay.
Did you double lock these?
Yes, sir.
That's the best way
Actually,
to
What's that?
let me grab the seatbelt real quick.
Instead of just pushing,
No, I'm not going to push it.
what's the best way to get in?
The best way to get it, I would step down here. Step down up there. Put your left foot in. All the way in. And then just go ahead and facilitate yourself through this way. Alright, there you go. Well, right now, the reason why you're being arrested is trespass after warning. Okay, the reason why you were being trespassed from there is because you were violating the building's code of basically filming beyond just the rotunda. Okay, the city real estate manager and security manager, who are the people that foresee the security on this building, wanted you trespassed. Okay, you didn't want to identify yourself. We asked you to leave. You did not want to leave. That's the reason why you're placed under arrest right now. You're being arrested for trespass after warning. Okay.
You made some contradictory statements.
Okay.
You guys don't care about that oath to the Constitution, huh?
I do. I just have,
Oh, you're just doing what you're told, huh?
buildings actually have rules, and then when people want you trespassing
Yeah,
said
but inside
buildings.
public buildings, it's the law that we have to follow. So
Unfortunately, public buildings have limited access areas, so for protection purposes. So
yeah, how is protection?
you just can't walk everywhere.
Well, I didn't know you were restricted.
That's the building manager. Understand? I'm not facilitating this. They're the ones that are actually. So what I'm doing is all on them. Go ahead and start charging them. It might be on them. Yeah. I think it's different.
All right, I'll go and meet with him, I guess, real quick.
Alright, just tell them that, just like how I said, we gave them many chances to leave, didn't want to leave, wanted to argue, so just have them go ahead and sign the thing saying that they wanted them trespassed and then that they wanted them arrested for, to make sure they write it really well. How this guy is. I will go off.
I'm leaving my doors unlocked for you, Sarge. Do you have your ID, sir?
I do.
You have your Florida ID, sir?
My driver license?
Yes.
Sure.
Thank you. All right, sir. So what I'm going to do is I'll fill this out in just a second, but if you can please just do me a favor and put your first name, last name, and then please just explain what happened, okay?
Thank you guys, much appreciated.
No problem.
You guys deal with those people a lot. I feel bad for you. I mean, I knew what I was walking into, but he still upset me.
Just instigating
Yeah.
bother.
I don't have the timestamps and everything, Keith. Do you have all
What
that?
timestamp do you need?
I don't know, just when the guy walked in.
Well, you
Oh,
know
he
what?
came-
I know it's on, sorry.
he came in-
I'm gonna go to yoga.
I mean, he seemed fine. I gave him all the stuff.
He
And just,
came in at 11:50 today.
yeah.
Okay.
Anything else?
The last time he was here
No, sir. I think I'm good.
was
Appreciate it. I'll see you.
11:37.
We have 50 minutes of lost time out of all of our lives. So what was it, the other day, it was 5 officers, and then all of us. Like, almost city money that the guy wastes.
Sure.
So when I was talking to you upstairs, sir, it's not,
Yeah,
that wasn't, that's not to come at you, but we deal with that a lot. And
So what did I
just
do wrong? Just-
well, when he asks you for your name, and that kind of like will want to instigate people more. So like everybody's giving him, we all give him his name. Unfortunately, like you're the one trespassing him, so you're the one that's in charge of the property. So when people refuse to do that, it kind of amps up people sometimes a little bit more.
What happens, he'll put this out there on the web and then he'll basically destroy myself or destroy anybody that, I mean, yesterday he destroyed the public,
Yeah.
the press officer for no reason.
Yeah, I mean that's just.
It just keeps de-escalating. He doesn't get what he wants to the point that you can. Is that
Yeah,
I mean, like within reason, right? Like, I mean, I'm a city employee, and I swear an oath to uphold the law, right? And so I work for the people.
Right.
And so when somebody asks me for my name and my ID,
Right, you gotta give it out.
I have to give it to them.
Well, I wonder, because...
And so, but sorry to cut you off, but when you watch a lot of cops that'll do that and go, I'm not going to give you it escalates the situation. Sometimes all people want is just information, and they'll leave and walk away.
Okay.
And that's just, but we'll have like other scenes where people will come up and kind of instigate. That's not what he was doing, but we'll have other people come up and instigate, or I'll even say this too, every once in a while, a cop will come up and get into somebody and it kind of blows the whole thing up.
Right.
So that's why I always just try to, as calm and as professional as possible, just.
Can you make your signal 4 2?
I have had some employees who've said, I don't want him to know who I am.
Yeah. No, but, and that's fine. I guess what I'm saying when it comes down to, like, he's the person trespassing from the property, you see what I mean? So
Yeah, you gotta give him your name.
they would want the name, any other person doesn't have to.
Here's the video. I don't know how to send it to you, but if you tell me, I can go ahead and forward it to you.
If you give me an email address, sir, I will, if you give me an email address, I will actually send you a link through our evidence system.
Not a problem.
Were you here yesterday, sir?
No, this is our first day on.
Oh, it is.
Mm-hmm.
I guess, what's the difference between, I know you weren't here, but yesterday, I guess maybe we had to specifically request for him to be trespassed, and we never did that? Is that what happened?
We never did it.
We never did that,
We
okay.
were told we couldn't. David, or not, told me that David could. I guess he spoke to the legal department about it.
Well, it's just good to know how to handle these. It's just tough. The guy,
Sure.
he's an expert. All of those guys get trained by who, I don't know.
Thank you. I'll send you a direct link through Axon, and I'll actually go right into our evidence system.
Okay.
1033 emergency north, Charlie 44, any Charlie, take a break, 84 and 0, 1600 East Colonial, 1033 emergency north.
I have a feeling there'll be more coming back.
Yeah.
Delta 40, you get checked.
Stop right here. And last time I pointed out the sign, I told you it was on recording down the point.
So I guess the only
That's
people
when
who
it escalated.
trespass are like Jeff and myself and Lori, right? Is that how that works, Jeff?
That's what David Arnott said.
Usually whenever I try to trespass, I'll call Jeff and I'll tell him. If he agrees, then I'll go ahead and give it to him. Hey, Brent.
Well, I do know Jody's the one who approved us putting that sign up. And then no recording.
That's what Big David was talking to.
Yeah. Awesome.
Okay, if you can just,
I may Google.
And it was, I think it was Jeff.
so if you even want to put it in here, you can start right here.
America, now it's called 360.
If you can just put that you did not give him permission to remain on the property and that you wish to press charges.
I know this is like small potatoes, but we greatly appreciate your time.
Yeah, we sure do. We did not give permission for this individual to remain on property
And wish to press charges?
and wish to press charges. Wish to press charges.
And while I'm filling this part out, if you can please just do me a favor, put your position, good phone number, and then, so that'd be your name right there, first and last name, position, a good telephone number so we can reach you at, and then a signature, please.
Hey, Jess, you okay?
That's my office number. That's my desk.
3793.
I never called it 3793. 3793.
See myself in pictures. So
Did I sign it down here, sir?
Yes, sir.
Your glasses are upstairs, aren't they?
They are.
And I do other advice.
Somewhere on the non-hostile employee.
Yeah, so I told him, and then so I stood in the corner.
Morgan, you have a good one. Thank you.
The camera's you, but it's hard to like he's like,
What's a good phone number? What is it?
It's a 407
407
246
246
3793.
3793. Okay. Good email address for you, sir?
I'll give you my card. It's Jeff.
Jeff.
I'm sorry.
Your phone?
I'm sorry. It's JD
Okay. No worries. JD
IO
NNE
at Owens OWENS
Okay.
Realty Services.com. So it's JD at Owens Realty Services.com.
Okay.
And I'll give you my card.
Okay. Appreciate that.
Okay.
So just sign your name right there, sir. Just swear and affirm that everything you're telling me is true.
Okay.
And right there in that box it says I would testify in court and prosecute criminally. Just put your initials in that box right there, please, sir. And unfortunately, I do not have. Here is your ID back, sir. Actually, let me say it one more time. Sorry. I don't have any victims' rights booklets on me at the moment, but let me see if I have a business card.
Yes, sir, I know.
I don't, but what I can do is leave you with the case number. And then my sergeant. And this is for trespass 5/19/23. Yeah, sorry about that. I don't have any more business cards. All right, so I'll leave you guys with. This is your copy. Oh, this is his. I'll take this.
So he doesn't get he may get a copy of this, but that's all redacted, right?
Yes.
Personal stuff.
Yeah, he will. I have your address down as here.
If you're gonna do the 60 days in jail along with the 1 year,
I don't know. Well, the 1 year trespass. Well, he'll be trespassed here for a year. However, just because he's arrested for a crime does not mean that he actually spends like that. That goes to a court, and then the state
because
attorneys.
I know that sometimes they give them like 60 days or bail.
I mean, he could.
Along with the trespass.
Well, this is not a no bond crime, so he can literally go in there right now and 2 hours later bond out.
Which the guy that was here is probably already.
Well, yeah, you probably
Yeah,
already
so he can
arranged
bond
this.
out, and then it'll be up to the state attorney's office once the charges actually get filed through the state attorney's office, and then he'll be assigned a public defender and/or private counsel, and then they'll hash all that out.
Right.
So if he decides to take a plea, they might give him a plea, probation, whatever, or if the judge says no, I'm going to give you the maximum penalty for this. So that's kind of how that works. So yeah, just because he's going to jail doesn't mean he's automatically going to.
No, because I know there's been times that they do like 60 days along with the 1 year.
No, that's not his name, is it?
Yeah. No, I have his real name.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Are we allowed to have that so we can red flag him so he doesn't come in here?
It's on the trespass form.
It's X number 1. Okay, thank you.
Yep. So, alrighty, y'all.
All right, guys.
Have a good day.
Thank you, man.
Okay. So,
You son of a bitch.
okay.
Mr. Gray, I'm going to put my name and information, employee number on this trespass, copy of the trespass warning to you. Okay? Yes, I definitely will. I would have given you a card, but my cards are all wet and stuck together from when I got rained on last time. And if I pull them apart, they're going to look like absolute, just, you don't want them. They will not be visible or readable. The copy of the statements, that will actually be provided once you get an attorney and they do disclosure. Usually what they're only going to give you when you leave the jail is a charging affidavit. I am here to inform you, though, because we had to take you into custody, that, what was the gentleman's name that trespassed him?
Jeffrey Dion.
that Jeffrey Dion, he is the security manager for the building, so he was the person that was appointed to be able to have control of the building and to trespass you yet today, that you are not allowed to come back on City Hall property. City Hall property is even all those benches in front, the common area. If you need to do business in the City Hall property now, what you need to do is you need to contact City Hall. Prior to that, you need to get a hold of Jeffrey Dion, and he will meet you to allow you access to the property. Do we understand? Okay. And his phone number, I will actually even put his phone number on here.
Did you write his name?
I will definitely. I will put his name and his business phone number that you have to contact him at before you actually enter City Hall property again. Okay?
It's on the form, but it's down here.
I just hope you guys know what you're doing. I wasn't even filming, so.
It's not filming, but you also were actually interrupting the normal course of business within City Hall. Okay?
Yes. You want me to turn off your phone? 30738. What's up, buddy? Do I, it's been a long time since I've had an iPhone.
I really couldn't say.
Slide the power off? Okay.
D-I-O-N-N-E, is that what it is?
D-I-O-N-N-E, yes sir.
Hold on, I'm going to just tell them all this stuff right here. We're going to need that for the affidavit.
Yeah, I'll just sign it. I didn't have any business cards or victims' rights booklets, so
No,
I just
I put it all right here. I put it right here for you.
No, for Jeffrey.
Okay.
So I wrote everything down on a piece of
Yeah,
paper.
we'll go and get that, because I got to get a statement from the female that said that he was interrupting her while she was trying to work. But she was scared of him filming.
Great. We're going to walk right over here to this door, sir. And we're going to come around here to this glass, sir. And if you just face the glass, please. Right here. Thank you. Do you want me to turn them around? Do you want me to turn them around like this?
In front?
No, I can turn them around and put them like this.
If that is like
It
gonna
might be-
not like dig into my
might be
wrist,
more comfortable.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. Alright, so then turn that one around right there. Does that feel a little bit better? If you move a certain way, it'll actually close them on you. So I'm like, misdemeanor.
Feet, please. Your hands down on the elbow.
Sign, please.
I gotta run and just grab my sergeant real quick.
You're set, thank you.
Put your hat back on. Like, you can go sit back down. You can bring him in there, I'd appreciate.
All right, folks, and here are our final thoughts. In the video, the cop said on the open mic that the trespassing arrest was over the woman feeling uncomfortable because Foshin was recording. This is why we continually educate on the rights of the people. Why aren't our servants being trained properly? Why do our servants believe they have presumed authority over a free people? When cops do this, it sends a ripple throughout the nation that government has unbridled power. This is what the founding fathers warned us about. This is why we need to understand that our natural rights are protected by the Bill of Rights and the Constitution. This is why government is groomed to hate the Constitution. This is why cops scoff at you when you tell them you have rights. This is why they call you names like sovereign citizens. Truth is, that term sovereign citizen is only used by police when they're trying to defend themselves in court. Think about that. This means cops are the only sovereign citizens of this great nation. In my opinion, this was a conspiracy to violate a free man's rights. What is Orlando hiding? Who are these people and what do their contracts look like? It's our duty as a people to hold government accountable. We need to be able to make complaints, as Foshin was trying to do here, and we also need to be able to review records and documents. Why are the cops protecting government servants instead of the people they're sworn to protect and serve? When certain agencies violate people's rights like this, it opens up a can of worms. Now we have to keep an eye on them. Let's not forget that this channel has helped several chiefs of police out of their positions along with the mayor. Right now I'm asking for any information regarding these servants. If you know them and have had issues with them in the past, email us at recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We can also keep you anonymous. We want to thank you all for tuning in. Make sure to go subscribe to This Is a Public Services channel and let them know that we sent you. If you guys have any case laws that could possibly help him win his appeal, please let him know. I'll drop his original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment as always, or you can just type in This Is a Public Service on your YouTube search bar and you guys will find him. Thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.